Okay. अरे अच्छा, can you guys hear me? Is it clear? Please confirm me whether you can hear me and everything is clear. All right, let us get started. Gallery. So what we discussed in the last lecture? What we discussed in the last lecture? You are looking gorgeous today. Oh man, I'm married. Yes, sir. So okay, Robert is saying I can hear you perfectly. So we discuss about how to install the Oracle database 21C. Fine. First lecture, can you just revise short? Okay. So this is the third time I am with you all. So in the first lecture, I discussed about the importance of Oracle databases and all, right? That is what we have discussed. Just give me a minute. Let me see everything is fine. Display is there. Looks like fine here. Looks everything should be fine. So those people who are watching me from YouTube channel, can you guys see me? Can you guys hear me? Please confirm me once. Hear you perfectly. Fine. I think everything is fine. Okay. So this is the third lecture of your SQL training. And in the first lecture, what we have done, like we discuss about the importance of SQL. We discuss about the different databases which are available in the market. Like we have Oracle database, MySQL database, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, Sybase. Many other databases are also available in the market. So for every database, whenever you want to discuss, like for every database, whenever you want to communicate, like when we people are communicating to each other, we are using some language, right? So right now I'm using English language. When I'm outside, usually we try to speak in Hindi or Marathi. So that's a medium through which we can communicate with our society and everywhere, right? Similar way, when I want to discuss with my database, boss, I want to insert some data, I want to select some data, I need some communication language, right? So that communication language is about SQL, structure query language. Many people are also thinking that SQL is a database. So remember that SQL is not a database. SQL is structure query language. What is this? SQL is structure query language. It's a language. So irrespective of any database, let's say you are talking about the Oracle, MySQL or any other database, you need a language. That language we called it as SQL. Now this SQL you can use with Oracle also. As I said, you can use it with MySQL also. But there are many people from this group, they are going to join the Oracle DBA training with us. So they should be familiar with the Oracle. That is the reason I'm going to start with the installation of Oracle database. So what we have done in the last lecture, like we started doing the installation of Oracle database. In Oracle database also multiple versions are there, like we have Oracle 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C. Just like in our Windows we have, like in Windows also we are using Windows 10, Windows 11, something like that, right? So similar way we have a multiple versions are available. Among that I'm using Oracle 21C. and the installation went well. I didn't check that till now, but I feel like everything is good. So did you guys try this installation on your laptop? How was that? Whether you were able to do that? Is it fine? Just confirm me. Everything was good. Did you try this? Pushpendra is saying yes, Anuj is saying yes, Bali is saying yes, Habib is saying yes, Varun is saying yes, Sana is saying yes, Mudassar is saying yes, Sai is saying yes, Elizabeth is saying yes, Bali is saying yes, Aditya, Jagdish, Pratik, so many people, Samesh, Govinda, Matty, Pelly, fine. Joy here on YouTube channel. Joy is saying yes. Michelle is also saying yes. Everything is fine. Very good. Okay. So looks like everyone is happy with the things that we have discussed till now. So yeah, fine. So let me share my screen now. So I'm just going here. Click on the share button here. And let me open a new tab. I'll change the page color to, I like black color. Fine. What about here? Okay, looks good. So what we have done till now, let us try to understand that. So we discuss about, like, we have a Windows operating system. We have not installed any different operating system. We have Windows 11 is there. So I am using right now Windows 11, and on this Windows 11 machine I have installed Oracle 21c database. So you consider that this circle is my database and this is my server, means Windows 11 is my machine or operating system. So under this Windows 11 machine I have installed this Oracle 21c database, right? Now what I want to do, I want to connect to this database. I want to connect, like, definitely you are going to connect to this database, right? And then only you are going to run all these commands. So how to connect to this database? First of all, what you can do, you can open the search button, open the command prompt. So I'm opening the command prompt here, and as soon as the command prompt get open, you need to wait for some time because it is quite slow. Let's open that. Fine. Now let me run the simple command like SQL plus /sysdb, and when I'm running this command and press enter, and if you are able to connect to SQL utility like this, if you are able to see this command prompt is coming, if you are able to see this command prompt is coming, it means everything is fine. It means everything is fine. It means everything is fine. It means you got connected to the SQL utility. Now here you can do all your things, like, you can now here you can do all your things, like, you can run your SQL queries. So this is the place. If you are able to see something like this, if you are able to see something like this, it means everything is fine. Now please confirm me whether you guys can see this. Please confirm me whether you guys can see this. Please confirm me. Please confirm me whether you can see this. Please confirm me whether you can see this. So Purushottam is saying yes. Alka is saying yes. Okay, nice. If we are able to see like this, it means you guys are doing good. You guys are doing good with me. If I am doing good, so definitely you can also do. Kedar is saying yes, Pratik is saying yes, Shubham is saying yes, Aditya is saying yes, Abhishek is saying yes. Sanket is saying please repeat the process. अरे process repeat करना काफी difficult है अभी, because it's been 3 days like we are doing the same thing. So you can watch our previous videos which is available on our YouTube channel. So it's there. So you can go through that and you'll understand that. But till now, like we have discussed about how to install the Oracle database. Okay. So what you need to do, open the command prompt. Open the command prompt. How to open the command prompt? Open the command prompt like this. CMD. You can search with the open the command prompt. Right click. Run it as an administrator. Open this command prompt and simply fire this command SQL plus /SDBA. And if you are able to see like this, then things are good. Then things are good. So please let me know if you guys are able to see something like this. So that will be good for you. Fine. So can we go ahead from here? If everyone is there with me, let's try to go ahead if you are able to see all these things. So command prompt is the software through which you can open your Oracle database. Like it's a medium through which you can connect to your Oracle database. So command prompt is not only just Oracle database. If you want to connect to everywhere, just like in Linux you will have putty kind of software will be there. Similar way in the Windows command prompt is there. So this command prompt will be automatically available where you can run your commands. As a command prompt means where you can run your commands. So you can run your Linux command, you can run your SQL command, all the commands you can run from here only. That's a command prompt. This software will be available in Windows operating system by default. It will be available in the Windows operating system by default only. Okay. Now, you need to just fire SQL plus /SDB and you will find like this. Now let us try to focus on our training part. So what we are trying to do now. So fine. Okay, now let us try to understand the next part. So we are trying to understand about the SQL, structure query language. Now inside what we have done, like we have this database is there. What we have done, we have this database is there. So under this database I am going to store my data. Under this database I am going to store my data. This data I will store in the form of tables over here. So I am going to create a table. I am going to create a table inside my database like this. I am going to create a table here inside my database like this. Okay. I am going to create a table like table number 1, table number 2, table number 3. So I am going to create a table like this. I am going to create a table like this. Okay. Then how to create this table? How to create this table, that we are going to understand. How to create this table, that we are going to understand. So this table will be looking like this. I'll show you one example. Let me open Excel to make you understand about the table, like how table looks. I'll open the Excel sheet. Okay, and let me show you how this table looks. So let me open that here, double click. Okay, so let's say I want to create an employee table. What is the table name? Employee. So whenever I want to create an employee table and I'm going to store my employee related information. So what information will be stored for the employee? Like every employee will have employee ID will be there, then name will be there, then salary will be there, right? This is the information which I am going to capture. This is the information which I am going to capture. So you can see the something like this: ID, name and salary. Now what I am trying to do, let's say there is a employee number 1 is there. Employee number 1, his name is, let's say, Sagar, and his salary is, let's say, 10,000. Okay, so this is called a record, or first number row we can say. This is my first record. What it is saying, there is a ID 1, the name of the employee is Sagar and his salary is 10,000. Likewise, I may have multiple records to be available. So ID is 2, the name of the employee is, let's say, Nikhil, and salary is 20,000. Similar way, the ID is 3, the name of the employee is Sandeep and salary is 30,000. So this ID, name and salary, whatever you see, this is called column. These are the columns, and this row, this is called a row. These are my 3 rows are there in my Oracle, in my table. So this is my row number 1. Okay, this is my row number 1, and below that I have row number 2 and row number 3. This is my row number 1, 2 and 3. So I'll give you some different color so that you will distinguish it. Okay, so this is my row. These are all my rows are there. What is ID, name and salary? These are my columns. So if someone is asking that how many columns are available in the EMP table, I would say there are 3 columns are there. What is the first column? ID. What is the second column? Name. What is the third column? Salary. These are my columns. Column means the information that you want to gather. So I want to gather the information like ID, name and salary of the EMP person, EMP table. How many records are there? How many rows are there? 3 records. Record number 1, record number 2, record number 3. We can call it as row also. So table is all about rows and columns. So this is my rows and this is my column. So whenever you are creating a table, you need to define the column and you need to define the rows. How many rows you are going to insert. So right now we have 3 records are there. If I want to insert one more record, I can insert it over here, like this. So if you want to create this table, let's say you want to create this table, you can simply run the command like, let's say you need to use create statement. Which statement you need to use? Create table. What is the table name? EMP. So under this EMP table, how many columns are there? 3 columns are there. What is the first column? ID. Now ID will store which type of data? What type of data will be stored under ID? It's a number type of data, because ID, currently when I see the data, I can see here that it's a 1, 2, 3. It's a number type of data. So I need to mention here number. So I'm saying that I have a first column with the name ID, and which is going to store a data in the type of number, and the size will be 10. Means ID will be maximum size of 10 number only. Like ID may have 1, 100, 1000, 10,000, but it cannot go beyond the 10 digit. That's the size, maximum size of the ID will be 10. And I know that like I may have maximum 1 lakh employee or 10 lakh employee, not more than that. So that size we need to define when you are creating a table. So what I'm mentioning here, create table, table name. What I'm mentioning, create table name. The first column name is ID. It is going to store a data of number type and the size is 10, comma, second column name is name, and name will be, do you think that name will be number? No, name will not be number, right? It will be character. So character is the data type. So character, and the maximum size will be 10, because name will be like Ankush, Sagar, Nikhil. All these name will be coming less than 10 characters. So that is the size I have mentioned here. And if you are trying to insert more than 10, then you will get the error message. Third column will be salary. And what will be the salary? What will be the salary data type? The salary data type will be also number only. And I'll mention size 10 and close the bracket and semicolon. Whenever you want to end the SQL statement, you need to mention semicolon here. So this is the closing bracket, this is the opening bracket and closing bracket. Whenever you are creating a table, there are certain things which is required to you. One is you need to mention the column name. So the column name is ID, second column name is name, third column name is salary. When you are mentioning the column, you need to mention that what type of data will be stored under that column. So ID will store number type of data, name will store character type of data, salary will store number type of data. What is their size? The size will be, for ID it is a 10 digit, name it will be 10 digit. I can make salary 20 digit also. It's up to you. But what I'm trying to do, I'm going to copy this command which I have created, Control C, and I'm simply running this command over here. Paste it. Right click, it will do the paste. Right click, it will do the paste, and press enter. As soon as you press the enter, you will see the message over that table has been created. So what is the statement? Create table. This is not a case sensitive. You can make it capital letter, small letter, not a problem. Create table name. First column name, their data type and size, second column name, data type and size, comma, third column name, data type and size. So whenever we create a table, initially itself we need to take the decision that what type of data you want to capture for this table. Like as I said here, I want to capture for ID also, name also, salary also. I have already mentioned that. But only table has been created. Did we enter any data till now under this table? Is it an empty table or is it a table with the data? How many data I can see here? If I see this Excel sheet, there are 3 records are there. But do we have these 3 records available under this EMP table now? No. We have just created a table. A table means only structure is there. Only this structure is there. There are no records also. These rows are also not there. No records. Only empty table is there. And now I'm going to insert a data into that table slowly. I'll show you how to insert this data. How to insert, I'll show you slowly. So just now what we have done, we tried to understand about the create table statement. The first thing that we have discussed is create table in SQL. This is the first thing that we have discussed. So whenever you are trying to create a table, you need column name. So we have column name like ID, name and salary. For every column you need to mention the data type. Data type means we use the data type like number, we use the data type like character till now. Third thing is, which is required, the size. What is the size? The ID will be of size 10, name will be of size 10, whatever size you have mentioned here. So this is how you can create a table in SQL. Please let me know whether you are able to understand me. Whatever we have discussed till now, how to create a table, are you able to understand? Please let me know. Mamta is saying yes, Anuja is saying yes, Bali is saying yes, Sai is saying yes, Surbi is saying yes, Sana is saying yes, Monish is saying yes, Rakesh is saying yes, Mokshi is saying yes, Shubham, Padmavati, Prasanna, Sad, Anusha, Darved, Aditya, Roshan, Sanket, Sanika, Staushik, Vineet, Mr. Ramesh, Poonam, Joseph, it's going amazing, sir. Yes, Navnaj, Ashram, Sunas, everyone is able to understand. So please create it on your terminal now and let me know once it is done. Please create it on your terminal and let me know once it is done. Please create it on your terminal and let me know once it is done. I'm ready to wait. So yesterday our voice was not clear. So we spent 12,000 rupees for you guys and we purchased a new uh, mic for you people. So I hope you people are finding that today's voice much clearer compared to yesterday's. Spending a lot of money just to make sure that things will be much better for you. So you people are giving us a very good feedback on our Google review. That is what we are expecting. So we can spend that much of money. Not a problem. If you people are happy, we are happy. What else we need? Okay. Please do that and let me know once it is done. The yesterday's session is also available on the YouTube channel, guys. So those people who have missed it, no, yesterday's lecture is available in the YouTube channel, but it was not fully recorded. There was a problem. Like my internet got disconnected yesterday. So what happened? Like I think for 30 minutes it got recorded on YouTube, and after that it went. So that was a problem yesterday. But if you are joining through Zoom meeting, you will not face such challenges. Please do that and let me know once it is done so that we can go to the next level. Nice. I see the people are understanding. Nice, man. Am I that good trainer? Great. Great. Good to see that you people are learning. Oh, man. Thank you. Fine. So let's do that. Let's try to understand the next part. Yes, we are also a good learner. Yeah. The trainer is always getting energy by looking to the followers only. If the students are happy, we will be happy. If we are getting the response from all of you, then I'll feel like okay, things are going good. If the audience is boring, the person who is giving a training, like he'll feel like okay, I am also not good, they are also not understanding, let's keep this. So that's the problem. So whenever and wherever you are going for an training, show your energy to the next person, then he will be happy. Now, let us try to understand the next part. So there is a question like which database, in which database the table has been created. Whenever you are installing Oracle Express Edition, by default there will be a database called XE, Express Edition database will be created. If you want to know what is the name of my database, select name from $database. That will tell you the name of your database. So there is a database called XE. Under that database, this table has been created. Okay. So for Express Edition, this XE is the database which will be created, and under that this table will be created. Okay. Just keep it in your mind. But right now you don't need to worry about this part we will see in our Oracle DBA. As of now we need to concentrate on how to create a table. So we got to know that how to create a table. Okay, now what I will do, so table we have created, so you consider that we have just created a structure, like an empty structure we have created. Now what I want to do, I want to insert a data. What I want to do, I want to insert a data into this table. So I'll simply use the command like insert query. I'm going to use insert into table name. What is the table name? EMP. Insert into table name values. Values is a keyword. Okay, insert into table name. Table name may get changed. Here I am using a EMP table. Let's say in future if you create another table, so that table name you are going to mention there. Values will be like this only. What is the first value? When I see this Excel sheet, the first value is ID is 1. You need to insert a data the way we have created the table. So first number is ID, second number is name, third number is salary. So ID is 1, comma. Second is name. So name is, try to understand, name is like Sagar, Nikhil and Sandeep. This name you need to write down in quote because it is a string. So name I am going to mention like Sagar. See, I'll open the quote and close the quote. See what I did. There is a single quote I am using for Sagar. Open the quote Sagar, close the quote. Okay. Whenever you are using a string should be always in quote like this. The string should be always in quote. You got my point? But if it is a number, like you have ID is there, salary is there, for that you don't need to use a quote. So we have ID, name and salary. Salary is 10,000. So I'm inserting over here. Semicolon. To end the SQL statement. To end the SQL statement, I am using semicolon and press enter. So as soon as I have inserted my first record, I got the message like one row created. So we have inserted one record. Now what I want to do, I want to insert how many records? 3 records are there. First one is done. Second one and third one I want to insert. So second one also I am going to insert. So what will be my query? Similar query. Insert into table name values. Correct? What is the ID? 2. What is the name? Nikhil. The name is Nikhil. So I'll mention Nikhil. See, this data is a case sensitive. Case sensitive means if I'm mentioning Nikhil like this, N capital and rest of the data is in small letter, then in that Oracle database it will be going like this only. N will be capital. Remember that it's a case sensitive. If the Sagar is looking like this here, inside the database the Sagar will go like this only. But these commands, the first things are not the case sensitive. You can keep it in capital, small, anything. But your data is a case sensitive. Okay. Nikhil and the salary is 20,000. Let me insert the third record. See, it is looking like same only. Insert into table name values 3 comma. The name is Sandeep and the salary is 30,000. Semicolon. Done. All the 3 records I have inserted. But how can I see the data? See, we created a table, we inserted data also, but now I want to see, now I want to see I want to see the EMP table. I want to see the data of EMP table. So whenever you want to see the data, for that you are going to use a command like select. What do you want to select? Star. Star means all the column. I want to select all the column. Star means all the column. How many columns are there? 3 columns. Select star from which table? EMP table. Semicolon. So whatever data you have inserted, that you can see now. Star means all the column. I want to see first column, second column, third column. Whatever columns which are available under this EMP table, I want to see that. So for that I am going to use star. So I can see here all the columns here like this. So whenever you want to create a table, you are going to use create statement. Whenever you want to insert a data, you are going to use insert statement. Whenever you want to select a data, you are going to use select statement. And star means all the column from that table. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand? Everyone, is it clear? Are you able to understand and follow me? Parth is saying yes, Anush, Elizabeth, Anand, Munish is saying yes, Sarah is saying yes, Sana is saying yes, Prasad is saying yes, Pastor Ramesh, Babu, Sanika is saying yes, Aditi, Nas, table done, yes, Rakesh is saying that, Blaze, okay, let's try to do that in your laptop. What you need to do? Insert a data and then select a data. Insert a data and select a data. Please do that. Insert a data and select a data. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Insert a data and select a data. So are you people working anywhere? Or you guys are freshers? Or how you got to know about us? Can you please let me know if you are working and what technology you guys are working, or if you are freshers? If you are working, say, and if you are not working, that's also fine. Working professional on Oracle SQL, fresher for SQL only, fresher. Okay, working database, SQL Server, MySQL, Azure, fine. So many freshers. Through my friend, I got to know about you, sir. Okay, nice. Working in another organization, working as Oracle DBA, working as Oracle fresher 2018 batch. Not working, attending for DBA interviews. Many people are working as Oracle DBA. Nice. Many people are from fresher also. Okay, nice. I hope most of the people aware about us, especially in Oracle DBA field. Maybe your colleagues, mainly when you are talking in your office with your DBA team. Maybe you people are already aware about us. Fresher in the field, but not in the interior field. Achha. Nice. So nice to see, you people are working, and some of the people. So for freshers, I would suggest that this SQL Linux is going to be really helpful for you. Freelancing as a data analyst. Nice. Junior DBA, fresher and came to through Quora platform. Oh, Quora, we are famous in Quora also. I was not aware. Okay. Please let me know once it is done. Please let me know once it is done so that we can see the next part. Whenever there is a PL SQL interview, then automatically Ankush Sir YouTube videos should come in my mind. For 3 years. All this, there are many questions which are coming. There are many questions which are coming related to the what I would say, like how to start the IT career and all, So we'll discuss. Aditya is saying you are making a huge impact. Thank you. We if you are getting any error message, just type Control C, and again Control C, you can do that. Anand is saying you are very helpful to us, sir. Thank you. Is it done, everyone? Please insert 3 records and try to show me that records. Okay. What you need to do, we have this EMP table is there. Under that EMP table, you need to insert first record, second record, third record. You can see the query here. I inserted first record, then second record and third record. Don't type this one row created. Don't type this one row created. This will be done automatically as soon as you press enter. Otherwise, you people will type this one also. Are you people understanding what I'm trying to say? Don't type this. This will come automatically. हम लोग अंधे को रास्ता दिखा सकते हैं, लेकिन जिसको दिखता है उसको रास्ता क्या दिखाना. Okay, so what we have done till now. See, okay, I see that most of the people have already done that. See, whenever try to understand one thing. So whenever you are creating a table, okay, and under that table you are inserting some data like this. Okay, under that table you are inserting the first record, second record, third record. Whenever you are inserting that record like this, what will happen? Whenever you are inserting a data like this, what will happen? I'll tell you one example. So whenever you are inserting whenever you are inserting a data by using insert command, that data will not be permanent. That data will not be permanent unless and until you do commit. You inserted a data, but you have not done the commit. You have inserted a data, but you have not done commit. Then that data will not be permanent. I'll show you one example. Let's take an example over here. See, when I run the select star from EMP, I can see the data is here. But let's say I am opening a new tab. So I'm opening one more tab. Like I have opened a new tab. Okay. How to open a new tab? Duplicate tab. So I'm opening a new tab. and if I'm typing the same command SQL plus /s is DBA, I'm going to the same database. Here I'm going one more time, and if I try to run the command like select star from EMP, so I want to select the data from the EMP table. When I'm trying to select star from EMP, I can see here that no rows created. Why? I have inserted a data, right? Then why the records are not available there? Because after the insert, what you need to do? You need to type commit. So I'm going to type a commit here. As soon as I fire commit, all the three statements which you have inserted will be permanent. And if I see that, if I open a duplicate tab here, and if I try to run same command again, select star from EMP, I can see that three records here now. So what do you mean? What I mean whenever you are inserting any data, after that you need to do commit. Whenever you are inserting, after insert, what you need to type? Commit. For every insert you don't need to do commit. Like let's say you have inserted first record, then commit, second record, then commit. Not like this. If you have inserted 10,000 record also na, and after that you did commit, all the 10,000 record will be committed. All the 10,000 record will be committed. So those record which you have inserted, after that you need to run commit statement. Otherwise next day you will not able to see that record. The table will be created. Create table does not require commit. Create table doesn't require commit. Commit is required for which statement? Insert statement. Insert. Commit is required for insert statement. So what I did, how to do the commit? Very simple. If you want to do the commit, just simply run commit, and after that if you try to do select star from EMP, even after 10 years, if you try to see whether the table data is available or not, you will be able to see that. So commit is very, very important in SQL. In the real life, whenever we are living in this world, and when someone is giving you commitment, in real life commitment is not commitment. But in the Oracle database, commit is commit. Once Oracle database say commit, not only in Oracle database, irrespective of any database, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, anywhere, whenever you are inserting a data, you need to do commit. But in real life, commit is working. What do you think? No. Even after the commit in the real life, you can do rollback. If someone is giving you some commitment, there is a chances that he may be rollback. He may do rollback. But in the Oracle database world, commit is commit. Are you able to understand, guys? Once you are done with the commit, you cannot roll back. But in real life, there is a chances that let's say you are joining any training sessions. Let's say you are joining any training academy, and they are saying that we will give you 100% job guarantee. And after the training, they are not giving you any 100% job guarantee. After the training, they have given you commit, but after that, they are rolling back with the words. So in real life, it can occur. But in database world, commit is always commit. Are you able to understand, everyone? Are you agree with me? Are you agree with me? This commit is like our Salman Khan commit. एक बार मैंने commitment कर दी तो मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता. Like that. Okay. Mudassar is saying yes. Anand is saying yes. Padmavati is saying yes. Mamta is saying laughing. Prasad is saying yes. Robert is saying yes. Pratik, Douglas, Monish, Govinda, Faiz. Okay. So you need to understand that which commit you want to use in your real life. Whether you want to go with the database level of commit or you want to go with the the commit which is happening nowadays in the market. Okay. If you type multiple message Akshay Shirke, I'll remove you. Then you will understand that from go name. From tomorrow you will not able to type any message and you will not able to join also. Everyone will get the answer, but you need to understand that the training is all about one topic. We'll go one, something like that. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Till now? Fine. Okay, nice. So today we have discussed about three important things. What we have discussed about? Three important things. In today's lecture we discuss about how to create a table. So by using create statement we have done that. Then we discuss about how to insert a data into the table. Then we discuss about how to select the data from the table. And the fourth thing we have discussed about commit. The fourth thing we have discussed about commit. All these things we have discussed in our today's lecture. Okay. So those people who are interested to join our Oracle DBA training, you can reach out to the Learnomate team, because we are starting a new batch of Oracle DBA. We have Oracle DBA training available online also, offline also, English also, Hindi also. Both, everything is available. Separate batches are there, not a combined batch. Separate batches are there. So whatever batch, whatever time you are flexible, you can reach out to the Learnomate team and you can join this lecture. If you think that you want to kickstart your journey with some different languages, like let's say data analyst or data engineer or some other technologies, that training is also available. And okay, so please reach out to the Learnomate team if you have any questions related to the syllabus, fees, timings, everything. They will, demos, whatever you want to see, everything they will share with you. Okay. The one minute, guys, just give me a minute, I'll see is that done. Okay, so there is a link available in the chat options. You can fill up the attendance over there. Those people, I'll show you this here also. Okay, so those people who have not done the attendance till today, okay, from maybe yesterday till today, you can fill up your attendance over here. Okay, and please enter your details so that we will share you the SQL certification from our side. Okay, even if you are doing the commit multiple times, not a problem. The statements which are above the commit, all will be committed, but commit is only applicable for insert. In future we will discuss about update and delete. Okay, not for create table statements. And I'm really thankful to the people who has given us a very good response to our Google review. Still, those people who have missed to provide the Google reviews, I'll share you the link. I would request everyone to please fill up your Google reviews, and I'll just click here and I'm sharing that to this here. So I have shared the Google review link. Let me see what people are saying. New waste. So thank you so much for filling up the Google reviews. Okay. So many reviews I can see. So thank you so much for that. I regularly watch all these reviews, that's the way we try to understand. Vaishali Gaikwad, very important lecture it is. It is very helpful to understand. I got 3 rating. Please try to increase the rating. For one day we are doing that, and that too free of cost. So things are good, but when it comes to the rating, there is some problem. So please try to give at least 4. We are expecting 5, so 5 is very much important for us. That is what we are expecting. See, this is completely free of cost. When we are giving a rating, you don't need to pay anything from your pocket. So please, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कंजूसी मत करो, okay? दे दो. That is what we are expecting. Okay, so that will be really helpful for us, guys. That's very important. So please provide the. क्या है, किसी का अच्छा करने से अपना थोड़ी बुरा होता है. Anyway, we are doing that. We have Power BI training also. Yes, we do have. We have a data analyst training. Under that, Power BI is there. So in Power BI, like we have advanced Excel, Power BI. Then what else we have? In that Python is there. All these things are there. Okay. All these things are there. Okay. So full stack development, yes, full stack development is in progress right now. Still we haven't started that, but in I think next week we will start. Okay. Thank you so much, Sanket, for giving 5-star ratings. So और क्या चाहिए यार हमको, वही तो है सब कुछ. बाकी मजा आ रहा. Able to understand, guys? Okay. I hope you people are enjoying all these things. Good, right? Fine. So we'll connect tomorrow, and we'll try to continue this tomorrow also. We'll try to understand the next part of it. Okay. So there is a question like, can we have PL SQL interview questions? We'll do that. I am not that good of PL SQL person, but we have another trainer is there. So he is expert of PL SQL. I usually give the trainings on this Oracle DBA, this SQL Linux, and data engineer. All these trainings I am giving. Okay. So I'll ask him to come online for 1 day, and maybe he can help you out with all these things. Okay, I'll ask him to, but be just register yourself to our webinar and all. Okay, keep checking our YouTube channel, because we normally try to add something to our YouTube channel. Okay, so many people are facing the same challenge, like they will not get to know that when we have started and all. Okay, so that's the problem. So many times we are reaching out to the training and placement team also, saying like, okay boss, you can ask your students to join our this free SQL and free SQL trainings and all. The problem is that the training and placement officers, sometimes I feel like they are just simply taking the salary. They are not doing something good for their students also. Whenever we are reaching out to them, we are showing our last record, like boss, see these many followers we have, these many people are joining, we are giving free SQL trainings to them, and but no response. Okay, so this is the problem with the especially for the colleges, why people are not much like, मुझे लगता है कि बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है बॉस. Okay, the training and placement team, they need to be very much proactive, because the student's career is completely rely on them, and if they are simply coming to college not doing anything, and just roaming here and there, then the students will be suffer like anything. Okay. So you can push to your TNP officers saying that involve these people to the special training we are providing, at least the free of cost training that we are providing them. So this is very very important, very very important. Okay, these TNP officers are like dumb. See, most of the time you need to understand that why somebody will join the colleges. Maybe he has not selected in any company, and they will not allow you to so for like the most important person in the college who provide the placement to the candidates or to students is to TNP officer, right? If he is not pushing himself, because when we are reaching out to them they are not responding, they're like anyway, it's not our path. But I personally feel, because the students are roaming here and there, like once you are done with your college, then your TNP officer, he will not call you, or you will not be able to call him that we need a job, right? When you are in the college or third year or final year, then that's the right time where you can push him, like, okay, this is important. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and let's connect tomorrow on this free SQL and Linux webinar. Please share this information with your friends, colleagues, and everyone. Bye bye guys, thank you, and please provide the Google reviews, that's very important.